Okay, that's what we're going up. Holy Toledo. See how it goes. Whoa! This is what you call paddling. If I can get going here. Whoops. If I can get up past these damn things. I just wasn't brave enough to stand up in there. Got my feet on the pedals. Well, kind of muddy out, and I tried to climb up that muddy hill, and didn't like that too much. So I think I'm gonna have to go over here. Come on, man. Muddy. Come on, man. Get over there. Whoa. Okay. Let's rest a bit. Well, the mud is making this harder. Definitely. Because it shouldn't be. I'm just a little afraid to climb up these side hills, which would normally be pretty easy for me, but I don't want to fall, slide down going faster. So, let's see. Maybe I'm gonna have to push this. Well, I can't get any purchase with my boots. Now, let me turn this off for a little while. Well, I basically had to lift it up on the side over there and then roll it gently past that thing after being stuck in it 3 times. Normally going up something like that's not that big a deal with me. I would have come right up here. But this mud is slippery because I got stuck down in that one too. Okay, I don't know. I may rue the day, but I don't think I want to go back, so. Second gear. Man, oh man. I think I'll just do the easy way. Up here. I guess it's always, this is on the north side, and it's pretty much shaded, except right here it dries out a little bit, which is nice. They're going around this. Kind of rooty up here. Okay, let's, I guess there's a tree down over there too. Or maybe they cut that one. Oh, I guess they did. I could have gone up there. Maybe it's getting a little drier up here. That'd be good. Ah, second gear. I just don't know what I'm running into up here, so I'll be very cautious. Oh. Whoa, that tree grabbed my backpack. Oh, yeah. This may mean we're at the top. Oh, man. That'd be a lot easier if it's dry. Whew. Gotta rest it. Whew. My arms rest. Woo! Okay. That's crazy. I think if I had a little bit more confidence, I could do it better. I mean, sometimes you just got to get in there and go, but when you go really slow on these big rocks, especially up when it's super uphill, it gets almost impossible to get going again. Okay, I must be pretty much there. Wow. Survived it again. I won't say I'll do that a lot because I can't say it's fun. Yep, here's the end. Woo! So my other video, when I went up Willie White, that's the one down here. That was pretty hard too, but it's not near as hard as Willis Canyon that I just went up. Going down, that would be easier. But the bad thing when you're up here, so there's no easy way down either. So I'm going to take Willie White down. Which last time I did it was not muddy, so we'll see what it's like when it's like this. But I got to get down somehow, so we'll see.